Let's dive in. Ever wondered how someone goes from zero to owning a 501c3 nonprofit?
All the time. Especially when an ebook only costs $39.97 to guide you through it. That's cheaper than a dinner date.
Right? But what really caught my eye was that do-it-yourself GSA contract course, almost $1,000.
Yeah, $9.97. But when you think about what a GSA contract can do for your business, government clients, long-term revenue, credibility.
Or skip the learning curve altogether. Just throw down $6,000 for the done-for-you service.
It's wild. There's even a $15,000 full-service option. More investment, but potentially high return too.
True. And they didn't stop there. Ongoing yearly maintenance is only $5,000. It's like a subscription to success.
If you're serious, you're paying for the long game. But still, that investment may be worth it.
That's why I appreciate the smaller tools too, like the elevator pitch for 57 could be the first domino.
Yeah, it's all about entry points. Some folks just grab the 1997 ebooks and start slow, like demystifying government contracts.
Or the Veteran Entrepreneur one for 1997. That one's part inspiration, part action plan.
Then there's $12.97 for a building blocks of a winning proposal course. That's no joke.
So, what do you think? Is it worth investing into a company that's been in business for almost 4 decades?
If your end game is federal contracting, it is the shortcut you need.
They have it all. One that comes in ebooks, services, and online stores.
Just depends if you're ready to follow it or hire someone to handle it for you.
Let's not forget their ability to create podcasts like this one you are watching.
They really are pushing the envelope of AIA.
For more information, visit MarketUS.com
or call 954-636-3232.
Thanks for watching.
See you soon.
Thanks for watching. I'm Nancy, your AI avatar. If you like this podcast, you can get one for yourself based on a website, YouTube video, or any source. Contact me to get a customized quote for your content. See you soon.